Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. It is Friendship Friday, and this is part 2 of this amazing price mail, happy mail from Dale from Not Too Shabby Chic's channel. Again, Dale, thank you so much. Let us continue. If you missed the first unboxing, you can check it out. Here is the next item she has for me. I love how she stamped a plain yellow manila envelope with all these gorgeous, look at this cute girl here, fairy tales. This would already make a great cover again for our journals. And here is the flip side. So let me just open this up and see. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. There are a lot of cute tiny things in here. So 1 second. Let me... Oh my goodness, guys. The first one is this little clip bow. But check out this rhinestone. How beautiful is this brooch? I am just in love. It almost matches my nail color. Dale, this is just amazing. It's like a beautiful dragonfly or some kind of butterfly. It is just gorgeous. I love that. And Dale has been showing a lot of thrifted treasures. And occasionally when you watch, she will ask you what you like. And I just made a comment about this beautiful elephant, and she has included it in the price pack. So now we can use it in our journals. I can also use it for assemblage. So that is amazing. Look at this cutie. How fun is that? And she has also included some, oh my gosh, look at these images. It looks like these came from a scrapbook. They are amazing. Again, these are wonderful pieces to scan. And reason for scanning them too is if you want to reuse them in future projects, you can. And if you'd like to share it with your friends, which I'm planning to do, that's another way to share these. I mean, these are just amazing. So you can see that this came off some, whoever had collected it would tape it down on a scrapbook. That is so precious. And then, what do we have here? Another vintage image. Oh my goodness, she has shared some of these die sets, and I remember her showing some fun tutorials on how to use this. I forget if these were from Global Land. I may be mistaken, but I love these because, you know, I'm gonna try and make miniature booklets using these. So that is amazing. Thank you so much, Dale. There's 2 of them, so I may be sharing one with some friends, but that is too cute. Oh my goodness, look at this. Another beautiful elephant. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, that is just gorgeous. Oh my goodness, Dale. She's also included this beautiful made in Mexico little treasure box. How cute is that? And I love little trinket boxes. This is where the maker's mark is. That is just amazing. She's also shared, it looks like piece of probably from a dress, like a performance dress. I've seen some of these in some of the Indian dresses. Really pretty. Thank you. And that will make a great dangle. Oh my goodness. She has also gifted more of these wonderful jewelry. Let's open it up and see what's in here. Oh my gosh. And this is only a little bit again of what she has shared. I mean, this is the second half, but already our table is full. But look at this. Isn't that grand? Oh my gosh. That will be amazing to add to a journal. And I know Dale has used, like me, she has used a lot of these jewels and repurposed it and added them to her beautiful junk journals. So if you look at her playlist and look at some of her flip throughs of the journals that she's made in the past, they're gonna, oh my God, they're just amazing. Just amazing. I just love her work, and she is an amazing artist. Look at this one here. Fun rhinestone. That is so cool. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Look at this. We are going to add that to our journals. And here is another fun piece that will definitely go to a boho style embellishment or tassel. How fun is this trio? That is so cute. And then she has also shared, look at this interesting ladybug. It's a brooch. That is really neat. What is this? Let's see here. Oh, how cute. Look at this adorable owl charm. I hope the camera's focusing. And that's what was in this cute little bag. Let's see what else she has sent. Oh my gosh, you did not. Oh my goodness, Dale. So she has also thrifted and shared these. These are antique stereoscope slides, and I love it. Because these are just amazing, because back then this was in a way their way of viewing and entertaining themselves without television. And apparently these two images may appear completely identical, but the second photograph is taken at a different angle, so you'll see it cuts off. Here is the fuller view of that image right there, and you see how it's a little bit less here, because once you look through the lens, it becomes one image, and it kind of gives you a 3D effect. So here is another one. Let's see, tells you in the back. This is so fun. The Sultan's favorite. And this looks comical. The lady looks like she's scared. And it says, or kill him, Charlie. And it tells you a little bit of what it was. Maybe it was a mouse or something. And then we have a little bit of a summer theme here. Wow, just amazing. Thank you so much for sharing these. I love it. I love it. And then there is more. Oh my gosh. Okay, we will continue. So here are beautiful, again, crochet pieces. You can cut them apart, and I'll definitely do that. Oh my goodness, Dale. Look at this. Wow. I don't know if this is what I think it is. I know that now I don't think they sell it anymore, but I think it is part of a tusk or bone. I'm not really sure, but this part here is just amazing. And to see it in person is just loads of history. This used to be a purse. That is so awesome. Let me check my time, because again, there might be part 3 of this video, because my phone, like I said previously, oh my God, is losing some memory. But look at this felt gnome. Dale handmade this. I remember her doing a project share. This is too cute. This guy is going to join my little gnome family on our fireplace, and I love it. Thank you so much. That is too cute. Now I'm going to pull one more item, and there is so much. I'm going to try my best and see if we can put it all in one video, but this is the Ideals Valentine book that she had thrifted, and I just fell in love with it. So when she had announced the winners, she had mentioned that if we wanted anything from the items that she shared, to make a comment, and claim it. And I personally have not found these magazines in our thrift shops or bookstores. So Dale, thank you so much for sharing this. I love Valentine's, I love flowers and nature. So when she showed this gorgeous magazine and it had poems, I mean, look at all these wonderful images. I just fell in love. Oh, how cute is that? A slice of life. Oh, I am gonna read The Antique Shop. How fitting for this beautiful Happy Meal. And I love this, classic poems and love songs. Abe Lincoln, this old sewing machine. How awesome is that image? I didn't even... There's Pinocchio. That, oh my gosh, Dale, this is definitely my kind of book. Speaking of purses, here are some of the examples of the gorgeous beaded purses that they used to have that I am dying to have, or when I see it. These go for a lot of money, and it depends on what condition they are, but that's definitely a collector's item. Look at that. That's so cute. Wow, this is just amazing. Look at how cute that is. Love the shades of blue there. Wow, Mardi Gras. That is just amazing. All right, guys, so here is the next one. She knows I love birds, and this is just amazing. We have a beautiful red cardinal. Oh my gosh, and look, the copyright was still in Roman numerals. And nowadays, since we haven't used that as much, we kind of have to guess or look at it. But this book in particular is so special. I don't know if you can see it. The paper has wonderful texture. It is just gorgeous. I'm gonna have to frame these and preserve them because I am just in love. This is like beautiful images of birds, and I am going to have to post them. Oh my gosh, we have a lot of blue jays in our area, and that is just... And I love that it has a little story accompanied by that. What a beautiful book. I love it. That is just amazing. And then we have more. Oh my gosh. Guys, I think we will do part 3 because I don't want to, take away and rush looking through all the wonderful items that she's included. But here are some wonderful postcards. Again, if you're into junk journaling, I love using postcards. I always use them as a way to journal. I love to write in the back. You can create collages on top of them. I actually have a little tutorial on how I made and showed you how to make these postcard little journals. And so I'll be sharing that at the end. And here are some wonderful feathers, perfect theme for our birds. Wow, look at this. This is just amazing. That is just gorgeous. And we are going to end this video with another gorgeous trim that she has shared. Isn't that just wow, magnificent? So much that we can use. I just love it. Again, Dale, thank you so much. This is part 2. Make sure to check out her channel. And if you'd like to join in the fun for Friendship Friday, just put that hashtag and tag Dale and share some beautiful Happy Mail. Talk about a new channel and promote a VR for someone's challenge giveaway. I hope you guys can show some support to Dale, who is the host of Friendship Friday. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Stay tuned for part 3 coming soon. Thanks again for watching. See you. Bye.